channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kayla. Thank you to my returning subscribers. I really appreciate it. Today's video, I woke up so early this morning. Normally I'll wake up early and take my dog on a walk, but he injured his paw a few days ago playing with my siblings and my cousins, and it's right like on the bottom of his paw. So I'm still in that habit of waking up, but I didn't want to risk injuring him more, so I decided not to take him for a walk, even though it's like healing okay, but I just didn't want to make it worse. Anyway, I woke up so early, I had so much energy. I actually had the time to make breakfast, make coffee, and sit down and relax and actually like enjoy eating and not rushing breakfast, which never happens. And I had so much time. I was like, you know what? I always want to film a get ready with me video, you know, as I'm getting ready for work, and it's been a while since I've done something like that. So I was like, screw it, let me set up my camera real quick, and I made sure my battery was charged and everything was ready to go. So I did the damn thing. This is America. Anyway, so I hope you guys like this video. Keep watching if you want to find out how to get this look. I had like a little bit of fun, but I mean honestly, like when I get ready for work, I'm so zoned in, and I hate like having things distract me. Otherwise, like I feel like I'm gonna forget something or mess up, and it's not gonna be like the way I want it to be, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, honestly, what are you waiting for? Honestly, who does that? Please subscribe, please like my video, and stay tuned for more. I will catch you guys later. I hope you guys have a great day, night, wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have you guys seen the New Girl? And Nick goes, "I love you," and Jess is like in the limo on the way to go see Prince, and she's like so caught off guard and like pumped up to see Prince, and she's like doesn't know what to say, and she goes so me and my husband keep doing that to each other. We'll be like, "I love you." Okay, I'm gonna go off to work. You guys watch the video, and toodles. Mwah.